If your crypto looks dusty and slow, you're living in the past. TON is here and it's fast, fresh, ready to change the game. TON stands for the Open Network, a Layer 1 smart contract platform built for the future of finance. Originally crafted by Telegram's own co-founder, TON's roots run deep in messaging, but today it's way more than that. Here's what makes TON special. Instead of one slow chain, TON splits into two main types: master chains that handle the big stuff, work chains that run smart contracts and dApps. These work chains are broken into shards. Think of them as super efficient worker bees handling thousands of tasks at once, making transactions lightning fast. TON switched from proof of work to a unique proof of stake system called BPOS, so it's not only faster but also energy friendly. But TON's more than just currency. TON storage for decentralized files, TON DNS for easy to remember wallet names, TON proxy for private secure connections hosting whole websites on chain. At the heart is TONcoin, the token fueling everything, paying fees, staking, voting on upgrades, and rewarding those who keep the network safe. So, if you want to see where blockchain is heading, keep your eye on TON. The future is open, and it's happening now.